has seen many success parties being thrown to celebrate a good run of movies at the box office. But one can expect the likes of DK Bose makers to do the unusual. Lead actor Imran Khan with Veer Das and Kunal Roy Kapoor in tow took their seats while Karan Rao addressed the press.
Thank you all for braving the Andhi and coming to celebrate with us what we think is a phenomenal song, and we've been backed up by the big success that this song has had across the country. And Bhag DK Bose, Andhi Aayi has started its journey to becoming an anthem across the country. We're really excited about it because we all love the song, the team who made it.
And since the party had a purpose, the stage was open to what it really had gathered a crowd for. Live performances of the movie Delhi Belly's best song by far, DK Bose.
Daddy मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी, तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिरती है मेरी, साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 भाग 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 भाग। ओ माय गॉड लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ, देखा तो कटोरा झाका तो कुआं, पिद्दी जैसा चूहा तुम पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाक नाक नाक। भाग भाग डीके बोस डीके बोस डीके बोस, भाग भाग डीके बोस डीके भाग, भाग भाग डीके बोस डीके बोस डीके बोस, भाग भाग डीके बोस डीके भाग। हे आंधी आई आंधी आई आंधी आई आंधी आई, भाग भाग डीके बोस डीके भाग, भाग भाग डीके बोस डीके बोस डीके बोस, आंधी आई है।
And though just one act wasn't enough to suffice the electric audience, here were a series of one-liners that Imran Khan wouldn't stop shooting at the audience that was anyway rolling off laughing.
Honestly, हमें कभी नहीं लगा कि कोई एक गाना इतनी बड़ी हिट बन सकती है. It's taken us all by surprise. When I heard the song DK Bose for the first time, मुझे लगा कि ये गाना बहुत ही अच्छा है. I loved the song and I was sure that it would be successful. But the fact that it would take off like this, we could never guess that. I think जिनको ये गाना अच्छा नहीं लगा, they are only DK Bose. हाँ, मैंने ऐसी वर्जन गाया था on the radio. It's the English version, एक alternate version है. Run DK Bose DK, Run DK Bose DK.
यहाँ पे फिर से गा सकते हो?
हाँ, Run DK Bose DK. Problem क्या है? I don't understand problems. Run DK Bose DK. What is the problem? You people have very dirty minds here.
Well, we wonder if this is the result of a success party dedicated to just one song. Really, what a party would be like to rejoice the success of the whole film then. With cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is Dipti Ranglani for Rajshri.com.